Hi guys, for today's video, gagawa kami ng butong, in Tagalog, buko. So guys, ang aming platoon leader si Simon. Wave ka dyan, girl! So guys, nilagay niya yung ihi ng baka, guys. Ayan, girolling niya, guys. So guys, ito pala yung zip-on ni Canosa. At saka yung pangabo ni Bia na maitim pa sa kanyang mukha. Charot! This is Eden, in short, Guardian. Guys, ito yung aming gas tube like butian. Yeah, it's Gasul. And I am the vlog. Oh, guys, ito pala yung tagaw na bata. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, parang itlog ng baka. What is this? Obi? Wow. It's like, do not pisga it. No. And guys, ito si Canosa, pangarap niya maging bold star.
I am really Canosa. When I grow up,
Okay, let's have an interview. What is your dream? Dream come true? Your dream, you want, what is your dream? You in your sleep. Do not fingernail.
fingernail.
Do not raise your nail finger. That's bad, you know.
Nail finger. Oil mo, Simon?
So guys, did you know what is this? That is a spatula. When you go construction, is spatula. Wow, the hot cake with the cheese above. Oh, it's a cheese. Did you know how to slice it? No, there's a firefly.
Yung firefly,
Oh, it's like a tail of the wheel in the bus. Okay, you slice it. Did I eat? Did I eat? Wow, it's salty, guys. Did you know that this is a mixture of the corn? Guys, I'm going to pee. To pee the clothes. So guys, Simon is sweating. Sweating.
Sweeting.
So they are laughing.
Spell.
L. Wow, it's going to cook. Wow, what is that? It's not a pancake, it's hot cake. What is the difference between the two?
Canosa answer.
Answer.
Inday. Magpa?
Magpabam. Oh, it's going to eat.
No. It's going to eat. Kampalong pa.
Oh no. My chemical is going out. So guys, wow.
My chemical is going out, ha?
Simon is a good wife. Para kanino ka bumabangon? Wow, the big cheese. Look. Oh, look. Oh, look. My Jua Bells is silent. Guys, my esophagus.
Going to burn.
It's get into my nerves. Guys, look. That is Canosa. The Burikat cat. Look at her face, like Lexilor, Batsilor. Okay, go twerk. Twerk like Mali. Oh. Nice one. Like Ivana Lawayi. Guys, they are laughing. Oh no, my pee getting to my nerves. Yeah, the fire outside. It's like me hot.
It's like me, hata.
Oh, oh my stomach. It's cracking.
Ay, panlabot talaga.
Yeah, that's true. If there is Miss Catering, I am boring.
Ikaw da. Kama ka. Ikaw kahit man
Where is that? Oh,
Ay mo din gamit ni.
oh, it's a fridge. Sauce. Toyo. Hey, boss Toyo. You get in here, dear.
Biyang, butang yung biyang.
Wow, perfect.
Mamanda yun.
Yummy. Yeah. Oh, guys, look. My Labi Bells. Oh, you got a mess. Oh, yeah. No lahan.
Chemical only.
Chemical. Substance. It matter. You know, my isopagos going to poop. It's like a volcano. But the lava is color yellow. Oh my goodness. My gas. Oh, you're not allowed. You're not allowed. You have a snake.
Wow!
Wow! No tutoy. It's like it's like gay, no tutoy.
Hoy, yung passport kay Johnson, exam ako.
Hey, the password. Oh, that's their anniversary. Where's that? Who's that cell phone? Wow. Oh no, you're cooking. Wow. Garlic liver.
Caliber.
Caliber pew pew. Of course, it's Leia. You bother? Wow. Okay, bye. So guys, that is our
Topic for today, class dismiss.
our vlog, and see you to the future in the California King bed. So guys, hindi pala naghugas si Canosa. Hindi kasi siya mabait, guys. Look. Baka naman Canosa, maghugas ka. Marbil